Today we are making a Blackberry Lime Mule Mocktail. To start, get yourself out a glass or a bowl in which we're going to put the juice of 1 lime and 4 washed blackberries. So I rinsed mine, make sure there's no little leaves or bugs hanging out in there. And then take a muddler or a fork or something else that is flat, and we're going to muddle the blackberries in the lime juice. Just want to press out that juice that's in there. This recipe is supposed to serve 2, but today it's just going to be serving 1. Get yourself out a glass or 2, and we're going to fill it with some ice. Now I just use big ice cubes, and I think there might be room for 2 ice cubes. The recipe that I'm borrowing says you'll use 1 cup of crushed ice per glass. I have a little strainer here, and I'm going to use that to pour my lime juice and muddled blackberry through. If you need to, you can use the back of a spoon or something just to press that through your strainer, just to get all the good juice and flavor into your glass. All right, then we are told to add 1 can of ginger beer. Now, my favorite ginger beer that I've found thus far is the Q brand. You can usually find their mixers in the alcohol section at your grocery store. It's the purple can, it's the bold flavor, but it doesn't seem any more bold than most ginger beers that I have used. A can of ginger beer can be different sizes. The Q brand is only a 6 ounce, I think. I'm just gonna use 8 ounces. Look how pretty that looks. I might add a mint leaf just for a little razzle dazzle on there. It's gonna sink right in. You know what? That's okay. We've lost it. Where is he? There he is. Maybe stir and then garnish. Well, let's give it a taste test. Cheers. That's nice. I may add more blackberries. The blackberries give this a beautiful purple color. The blackberry flavor is very subtle, so give yourself maybe a little extra time muddling the blackberries just to render all of that flavor that the blackberries can offer. They're a very mild berry anyway. However, it's refreshing, so easy, and it's a nice, fun, refreshing drink when you just don't want to drink alcohol, but you want something fun and flavorful. So I will leave the ingredients and the recipe down below for you guys. Give this a try, let me know what you think, and be sure to subscribe for more mocktail recipes. This isn't all I do, but we're coming into summer and I'm going to be posting at least 2 more mocktail recipes. So be sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.